Have you ever wondered how your home or workplace stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer? Or how the air you breathe indoors stays clean and fresh? The answer is HVAC. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It's a technology that regulates and maintains indoor environmental conditions, such as temperature, humidity, air quality, and airflow. HVAC systems are controlled by a thermostat, which allows you to set the desired temperature for your home or workplace. The system then works to maintain that temperature, using a combination of heating, cooling, and ventilation. HVAC is important for several reasons. Firstly, it helps to maintain a comfortable indoor environment, ensuring that people can live and work in a space that is neither too hot nor too cold. Secondly, it plays a critical role in maintaining indoor air quality, which is essential for our health and well-being. HVAC systems use air filters to remove dust, dirt, and other particles from the air, keeping it clean and healthy. This is especially important for people with allergies, asthma, or other respiratory conditions. HVAC can also be used in sustainable ways, by using renewable energy sources such as geothermal, solar, or wind power. This can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and minimize waste and energy usage. In summary, HVAC is an essential part of modern buildings, and plays a critical role in creating safe, healthy, and comfortable indoor environments for people to live and work in. So next time you feel comfortable inside, thank your HVAC system for keeping you in a comfortable and healthy environment.